Taking a look at our plans, we have one bottom rail kick plate. This piece goes in between our stiles. Our total project width without the top is 24 inches. We know that our stiles are 2 inches wide. So subtracting both of those stiles puts this piece at 20 inches in length. The width of this piece is 3 inches, and the thickness will end up being 3/4. Now the only material that I have left measures about 2 3/4 inches wide. I need a piece that is 3 inches wide for my kick plate. Now I should be able to use this piece for my top rail in the next step, but I won't be able to use it for the kick plate. I found another board that I think will work pretty good. It has a width of about 6 inches and a length of about 86 inches. I do have a portion of a knot kind of about right in the middle of the board, but if I flip the board over, that side looks pretty nice. So this knot should not be an issue. Now if I take a look at my parts list, I am working on the bottom rail kick plate. My top front rail should be able to come out of the off-cut piece that I had from earlier in the project, but then I need to make 2 of these top gussets. Now the top gussets are 10 1/4 inches long, and I need 2 of those. My bottom rail is 3 inches wide. My top gussets are 2 1/4 inches wide. Additionally, my bottom rail is 20 inches long. So what I'm thinking is, if I cut my bottom rail kick plate to an oversized length of 21 inches, I should easily be able to get my 2 top gussets that have a length of 10 1/4 inches right next to my bottom rail kick plate. Again, given this board is about 6 inches wide, my bottom rail kick plate is 3 inches wide, my top gussets are 2 1/4 inches wide. So my goal is to cut this to an oversized length of 21 inches.